Hello. I just wanted to come on with a couple more announcements. First of all, I want to say a big thanks to everyone who came to our program last night at Eisenhower. The kids were so excited. It was so fun to see them jumping up and down when I walked in, just with joy to be performing in front of their family and their friends. So thanks for those who came, and for those of you that weren't able to make it, we missed you. I wanted to remind you that we have some things coming up. So there is no school on Monday. We have that day off. Teachers will be in the building doing some professional development stuff, but kids can stay home that day. On Tuesday, after that, we will be going on our very first field trip to the Discovery Center. So we will be covering some of those rules and expectations on Tuesday, just reviewing what it looks like to ride a bus, how we should act in a public space together, just reinforcing some of that. But if you could have an extra chat at home this weekend, that would be really appreciated, just because it will be the first time for many of these students to get to do something like that. We also have the color trot coming up. That is April 30th. There was a small paper sent home like this a couple weeks ago, and I've seen we've had a few people from our class sign up, so that's exciting. I will be working at this event. I signed up to be a color thrower, so I'll be along the trail getting to see everybody as they run by. But please sign up for that. I'm going to scan this and attach it on Blooms just in case you haven't been able to do it yet. You can do this with your little QR code on your phone, or I will also try to type in the hyperlink here that you can just click on if you would still like to sign up for that. And again, that is a Saturday, April 30th at 1 p.m. And lastly, last thing for right now is that it is going to be time to start doing some of our end of the year testing, not next week, but the following week. I can't believe it's already sneaking up on us, but the week of the 25th, we will start doing some of our end of the year benchmark testing. So please just make sure your students are getting good rest that week and make sure they get to school on time. We don't want to disrupt their routine as much as possible so they can do their best. In May, we've got a couple other things going on. We'll have field day on Friday, May 6th. Hopefully, weather permitting, we'll be outside. If not, Miss Stover, our PE teacher, does a good job of kind of adjusting so we can still do activities inside. And then we will be looking forward to a few spirit days the last week of school. So there will be a May newsletter coming out just with some of those dates in print for you. But that's all the announcements I have for now. Have a great weekend. See you Tuesday.